Yay, you're here! It's Achko Machko time! Let's learn, laugh, and play! Hey kids! Today let's learn the story of Goddess Durga with Achko Machko. Long time ago, the world was full of joy. Children laughed, animals danced, rivers flowed, and flowers bloomed everywhere. It was a happy, peaceful time. But far away, there lived a powerful demon named Mahishasura. He was part man, part buffalo. Mahishasura prayed for many years in meditation, for which Brahma granted his wish that no man or god will be able to defeat him. He used his power for the wrong, saying, "No one can stop me. I will rule the heavens and the earth." Mahishasura forgot one thing. He never asked for protection from a woman. The gods could not defeat Mahishasura, so they gathered their powers and created a divine force. All their powers combined, and from the light appeared Goddess Durga. She had 10 hands, each carrying a weapon. Her face was calm. Her eyes were filled with courage. The battle began. Mahishasura turned into a buffalo. Durga struck with her trident. He became a lion. Her lion roared back louder. He became an elephant. Her discus cut through his tricks. Finally, Durga raised her trident, and with a burst of divine light, Mahishasura was defeated. The skies cleared, rivers sparkled, and people celebrated with joy. When Durga Maa said, "My children, always remember, be brave, be kind, and always stand for what is right." And that is why, kids, every year we celebrate Durga Maa during Navratri. She reminds us that no matter how strong evil becomes, goodness, courage, and truth will always win. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to laugh, smile, and Achko Machko!